All right, let's go over how to draw Spider-Man, but kind of venomified. You know what I mean? He's gonna have like a monstrous kind of thing, but he's still gonna have the Spider-Man outfit. So it's gonna be simple. We're gonna go through this step by step by step until the end. What I want you to do is stick around for the whole lesson. It's very short. You can either follow along with me, or you can watch. Well, there's a lot of learning and watching as well, okay? Or you can watch and then follow along. So let's get started, okay? I'm gonna go over here and I'm gonna curve here for the top of the head. I'm gonna pull down over here, kind of the eye area, and I'm gonna pull up into the Spider-Man's eye, and then curve underneath. Okay? Gonna go, and I'm gonna put that, repeat that shape essentially. And then, all right, I'm gonna go to the far side, down, curve, pull over here, line over here for that side, and I'm gonna fill in that line right there, just completely dark. Same thing over here on this side. No. Cool. I'm gonna fill it in. Kind of filling this in area is kind of more therapeutic and chill. Don't forget, if you like Spider-Man, hit that like button. It's gonna help me out. It's gonna help the algorithm out. It's gonna let me know what to post more of. And if you have any ideas, put them in the comment section. All right, gonna go over here, down, and I'm gonna pull that top part of the mouth. That's what I mean by venomified. Smile right there. Teeth. Gonna put the same sharp teeth. And it's really just kind of triangle shapes. Curve, 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 curve. And I'm gonna go over here and I'm gonna throw a, the tongue out. It's gonna be, that was pretty quick. And I'm gonna go back here, curve around the corner here, and it's gonna pull over here on the inside. And before I do that, I'm gonna have that skin area right there. You know, when the mouth opens up on lizards. Line right there. Pull out, downward, chin, pull back, and pull up. For that chin, gonna go over here, back of the neck, curve underneath, line under here. I'm gonna put an Adam's apple real quick, and maybe the other cord of the sternocleidomastoid down over here. Right on. Gonna go over here and do a couple of things. Maybe fill in some of this to put some dark kind of toward the back of the tongue area. You're right. It's gonna eventually kind of submerge in that mouth. So you can kind of have it dark here in the back. Right on. Line over here. Line over here. Line over for the lip. Curve underneath. Gonna go over here and I'm gonna draw a circle, line, and now we're gonna put the Spider-Man netting, right? Curve line. Imagine you're drawing the lines on a basketball or something. Line over here, and then when it gets to this area about, you can just kind of start going into normal kind of hashtag, you know what I mean? Just like, what do you call it? You can go into normal like netting. Right on. Cool. Gonna go over here now and I'm gonna curve for the other portion, right? I'm gonna curve from each side. from the actual net area. Curve over here, like so. Alrighty. And now when I look at him, I'm like, okay, what can I add, right? You want to add details now. Maybe line over here in the teeth a little bit, because usually there's like a corner there on the teeth. Not always, depending on what kind of teeth, right? Like which order they're in. Right here, throwing in maybe some, you know, these thin lines right here to kind of show more dimension. Same thing over here in the back. And I'm gonna go over here now and I'm gonna draw a thicker line around just the outside, because there's a lot going on. It's almost too complicated. So I want to throw a slightly thicker line along the outside of everything. Excuse me. Then go over here to the bottom here and kind of fill it in. Continue to go here. Line over here, line over here. And just kind of like accentuating certain things, right? To kind of make them stand out more, right? And make them more obvious, more easy to read for the viewer. Let me know if you like this idea, this kind of Spider-Man. But I know it's probably been in the comic before. I just kind of thought of it. I'm sure it's been in the comic. Just let me know which comic, because I want to know. Because I think it was. I think I saw this in like a cartoon or something like that. This kind of Venom Spider-Man sort of thing. And maybe I could put a little bit of shadow right here at the top. Like so. And I would say that is close to it. Let me move it down a little bit right there. It cuts too close to the top so I can get a kind of a good shot at it. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. Don't forget to hit the like, share. Please share if you do want to support the channel. It's completely free. You can either donate on the PayPal in the description there, or you can share the video to Reddit, to Twitter, anywhere. Sharing it does a giant amount. It takes like less than a second as well. Just share it. Thank you so much, and I'll see you next time. See you later, Gator.
All right, and if you want to keep learning how to draw and keep pushing your skills, go right here to this video on here on this side. That video I put because it's the exact same theme as the video you just saw, and it I like it as a bit of a pair. So absolutely go check that out right now. Another short video.